Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when offering invites blessing. Ladies and gentlemen, a simple act can become sacred through the consciousness carried into it. An intention gives direction to thought, thought gathers energy, and energy finds expression through action. When that action arises from purity within, carries coherence of energy, and unfolds in divine companionship, something remarkable takes place. The ordinary act acquires a deeper meaning. It becomes an offering, and the offering opens the inner space to receive blessing. Modern science reveals that intention, attention, emotion, and belief influence neural activity, perception, behavior, and decision making. Ancient wisdom enters the same inner landscape through the language of consciousness, recognizing the profound relationship between the state within and the expression outside. Every soul, therefore, participates in a continuous movement of energy. Energy is received, generated, and shared, while the brain and the wider human energy system translate this movement into perception, thought, feeling, and action. The quality of the inner state gives character to the act. Purity of intention gives thought an elevated direction. Coherence allows available energy together with greater strength. The five dynamos of physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational energy participate in this orchestration. Wisdom brings discernment to the act. Compassion brings warmth. Courage gives it expression. The inner sun illuminates the consciousness from which the act emerges. Then an extraordinary perspective begins to appear. That is, the act belongs to a larger field of interconnectedness and interdependence. A thoughtful world, a responsible decision, a movement of patience, a creative contribution, an act of care, a prayer, or a duty performed with sincerity can each become a sharing of energy within the larger cosmic energy system. Its outward form may be humble, while its inner quality can carry a far wider significance. Every act performed with the best available energy at a given moment becomes a meaningful participation in creation. When such an act is consciously offered through trust, faith, devotion, and surrender, its inner architecture changes. The act then carries the energy of its intention, the coherence of its thought, and the quality of the consciousness behind its execution. Communion deepens the relationship with divine cosmic intelligence. Resonance makes that relationship experiential. The inner compass becomes increasingly attuned to the cosmic compass, and the act becomes an expression of companionship. This is where blessing begins to reveal its deeper character. Blessing can enter as clarity, serenity, insight, renewed strength, expanded compassion, or a quiet confidence within. It can illuminate a path, deepen understanding, or bring a fresh quality to an unfolding circumstance. Each experience of blessing can energize the inner sun, and its radiance can return to daily life through greater wisdom, compassion, and courage. A beautiful living rhythm then emerges. An ordinary act receives conscious energy. Conscious energy gives the act sacred quality. The sacred act becomes an offering. The offering opens receptivity. Receptivity allows blessing to enter. Blessing renews the inner radiance, and renewed radiance enriches the next act. In this way, an everyday action can become part of an ever-deepening movement of devotion, energy, and grace. The significance, therefore, lives within the act itself. A humble act performed with purity, coherence, and divine companionship can carry the dignity of an offering. Its value can reach beyond immediate visibility because energy travels through every sincere expression into relationships, circumstances and the larger field of creation. The soul participates through action. The action becomes offering, and the offering becomes a point of communion with divine cosmic intelligence. What's the way forward? Considering every humble act as an offering this way gives ordinary life a fresh horizon. Every moment contains an opportunity for an act to carry greater consciousness. A thought can become kinder. A decision can become wiser. A response can carry greater patience. A contribution can carry greater sincerity. As the inner state becomes more coherent, even familiar actions can acquire a renewed quality and become pathways through which grace finds expression. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, any act, howsoever humble it may be, when infused with purity, coherence, and divine companionship, can rise beyond its visible form and become an offering. Through trust, faith, devotion, and surrender, the offering opens the heart to blessing, and blessing brightens the inner sun with renewed wisdom, compassion, and courage. In the revealed Bhagavad Gita, these timeless words of Lord Krishna resound profoundly to those whose minds are always united with me in loving devotion. I give the divine knowledge by which they can attain my companionship in their life's unfolding journey. These timeless words illuminate the quiet mystery of grace. The act becomes offering. The offering becomes receptivity. Receptivity becomes communion. And communion allows divine intelligence to illuminate the journey from within. The inner sun grows radiant. Wisdom guides the next movement. Compassion enriches its expression, and courage gives it life. Thus, an ordinary act can become sacred through consciousness. An offering can become a doorway to blessing, and blessing can return as a brighter way of living in companionship with the divine. In such a living, when an ordinary act becomes an offering inviting sacred blessing, the radiance of that blessing received becomes the energy for the next act to become another beautiful offering. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.